Hey everybody, welcome back to 3D Collects. In this video, we're going to talk about the filament that I'm switching over to, and you might be surprised, but it is Hobby Lobby's filament. So Hobby Lobby, when I first learned about this about 4 or 5 months ago, I went there, I checked it out, and I could not find any filament on the shelves. I was like, okay. So fast forward to today, we're heading into April, and they're starting to have a lot of their filaments back in stock. The ones that I've seen where they don't have them so much in stock right now are the blacks and the whites. It seems like those are the first ones to sell out. But they're reasonable prices. They're about $14.99 for PLA, where it comes to most of the standard colors. Right here, what you'll see is I have a bunch of different ones laid out right here. These are all the PLAs right here. And then they have this one right here, which is a silk. This is called Black Pink. I just really enjoy these colors. Where it comes to me, I do have a color deficiency. Not color blindness, but color deficiency. And I can't see certain shades of colors where it comes to a lot of these filaments. And that's what I really do love about the Hobby Lobby filament. I can see the pink and black. I can see the purple. I can see the orange. The blue just pops beautiful. I love the blue. I love the red. And you have the yellow. So what I did right here was I just set up all this kind of filament for I can actually just show you some of the ones that they do offer and that I've actually picked up, and just kind of walk you through everything. So right here on this right hand side, what I have is I just have the basic ones set up. I have the white, yellow, orange, red. I have white, gray, blue, red. Right here I have the rainbow color that they have. They have the marble, they have the black silk, and then they have the wood. And then right here what you'll see is they do offer these reusable spools for about $3.49. That is one thing that I don't really appreciate about this filament, is that the spools are not reusable. Once you're done with the spools, you are done with the spools. You can't do anything with it. Hobby Lobby, if you could make these reusable, your product would be even better. But they do offer reusable spools for $3.49. They're pretty decent. They look like the Bambu type spools. And all these spools are actually packaged in plastic where it comes to your Deficient they offer with it. So let me just walk you through the different kind of prints. So this is the Black Pink. I've actually printed these out for one of my coworkers, but this is a very beautiful color. It has purple eyes. It has the black pupils. This one right here I did with the white one. The white is actually very similar to Bambu where it comes to the color right here. You do have where I have blue eyes and black pupils. Then I just kind of show the orange right here because the orange just literally pops. So here I printed up Yoshi. His shoes are orange. I still need to glue him all together. But where I started becoming very impressed is with the blues. The blues are gorgeous right here. So what you see is you got the blue for Mario. You have the blue for Luigi, blue for Mario right here. But they really just do pop. You can see them. They're just very vibrant to me in my color deficiency. I can actually see these colors. And then I do love the red. So with the red, I'm going to find it here somewhere. I do have the red right here where it comes to the Bambu. I feel like this red is not as red as this one right here, but it is more of a maroon type of red. Let me pick up my little Mario. We'll put him right by Luigi. But the blues do pop and the reds do pop. That's more of a in-between where it comes to the red and then the maroon where it comes to Bambu. But the other thing I wanted to show you here where it comes to this particular video is where it comes to their price point. So the PLA is $14.99 where it comes to just the standard type of colors that you're seeing right in front of me. That's where I have all these all set up just to show you. But they are coming out with specialty colors also, like this pink black. This pink black right here, it did go up in price a little bit for me. Let me see exactly how much it was. So the pink black silk is $19.99. They do have a wood also, which looks pretty nice. Have not opened it up and used it just yet, but that's $16.99. And then it comes to some of their specialty colors that you'll see right here. So right here, this is the marble. I have not used this one just yet. I'm thinking about making a rock bust. And then the last one is the rainbow color. I'm gonna probably print out one of these dragons tonight to actually check out the rainbow color, see how it is. But I'm switching over to Hobby Lobby's Filament as long as I can keep it in stock. The biggest problem, like I said, were the white and blacks, but it really did surprise me about what they offered and how many colors, and they're expanding them also. There's all kinds of different colors I have not purchased just yet, but there's about 4 or 5 other colors that I've seen in there, and they just keep seeing them pop up. And their 3D printer section, the Hobby Lobby, is getting bigger, bigger, and bigger where it comes to their colors. And the other nice thing about Hobby Lobby is that they're offering just different things when it comes to 3D printing needs, which they're kind of Hobby Lobby. It's a lobby store. So I've picked up this right here. This is the this is reusable acid. This is the Deficient. I'm not too sure if I'm saying that right, but you can actually use this to the point of your printer, and you can put it in the microwave and get back to right again. And it's a pretty reasonable price for about $12.99. And the other cool thing is around Christmas, when I was doing a lot of things, you don't really think about what Hobby Lobby does or does not have, but they do have it to the point where these are earrings where you can make little projects, and made a bunch of little Ukrainian flags for everybody. And then you have key rings and things like that. And they have these little cases, which are pretty awesome. But right now, where it comes to the Filament, I've just been very impressed with the Hobby Lobby's Filament. I go in every couple of weeks to see what they have, and if they do have black and white, I always try to pick it up, which they have not had for the last month where it comes to the black. But I would suggest, and I would encourage you to check out some of this Filament, because I think you might be surprised about the kind of quality that you see and how the colors just pop. I mean, these things are gorgeous, and with my color deficiency and I can actually see these colors, it just makes me really happy about this Filament. But beautiful Filament. Go check out your Hobby Lobby. I'm very fortunate because it's down the street, but I would really encourage you to check this out and let me know what you think of it, because I think you would be pleasantly surprised just like I was. But I hope this video helped you out where it came to filaments, and maybe just a different look instead of the Sanlu and the Bambu Lab filaments. And maybe check out this brand right here, because I've been very, very impressed. But leave some comments if you have any questions about anything that I'm doing right here, and like and subscribe. But thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.